everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another recipe. Today I am going to share with you the recipe of white sauce pasta. So for that we need ingredient 500 gram pasta, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, that is optional. We need vegetables like I took mushrooms, capsicum and broccoli. That's also you can choose as per your choice. 1 onion and 1 small ball of corns. We need cheese, maida, 3 spoon maida I took, and in same quantity 3 spoon of butter, and most important olive oil, 400 ml of milk. So for preparing pasta I have divided it into 3 steps. In first steps we'll boil the pasta, second step we will saute all the vegetables, and in third part we're going to make white sauce. So let's get started. First take a deep pan filled with water and add salt and 1 tablespoon of oil in it and boil it. Once our water will start boiling, we will add pasta into it. As you can see, water started boiling. So now we have to add pasta. After adding pasta, we have to leave it for boiling till our pasta is done. So it takes hardly 8 to 10 minutes for pasta to cook. So as you can see, water is boiling. So it's a time we need to check our pasta. So for checking our pasta, we will take 1 pasta in a bowl and we'll try to cut it with the fork. If it is cutting easily, as you can see, it's cut so easily, so now it's done. Our pasta is done and we need to drain the water. And please keep 1 small cup of stock separately that we'll use in sauce. So now we need to take a deep pan, add 2 to 3 spoon olive oil in it. Now we will saute all the vegetables. After adding oil, we need to add garlic in it. Now add the garlic and let it cook for a little bit so that the raw taste of that garlic that will go. So after this garlic, we will add onion. As you can see, the garlic is almost done. So now we will add chopped onion in it. Okay, we need to cook the onion little. We don't have to cook it completely, we just have to saute all the vegetables. Now as the onion is almost done, I will add all the vegetables in it and now mix it properly. After mixing all the vegetables in oil, we will add salt as per the taste. So now I have added salt. Little oregano also we have added. Mix all the things together and let it to cook. As you can see, now the vegetables are almost done. So now we will do the preparation for our white sauce. So in a pan we need to add butter, 3 spoons butter which we took, and after adding butter in it, once our butter is melted, we will add maida. As you can see, it's almost melted. Now we add maida in it, all 3 spoons of maida, and now mix it properly. We need to cook this paste properly so that once the bubble will start coming, it means it's done. So keep on stirring it properly, otherwise it will start burning from down. And we need to cook this on a very low flame. As you can see, the bubble starts. So now we will add milk. So now let's add milk into it. Remember, we do not have to pour the whole milk at a time. We have to add milk in parts. Okay? Keep on adding the milk and keep on whisking it properly. Do not stop whisking, otherwise there would be lumps. So keep on adding milk and then keep on whisking it properly. Keep on whisking it properly to prevent the lumps. As you can see, I am doing. Whisk it properly and then we will let bubbles to come in it. Once the bubble will be coming, so it means it's done, and then we need to add vegetables in it. Keep on whisking properly. Now as you can see, it start bubbling. See, the bubbles started coming. So now we will add all the sauté vegetables in our sauce. So now add all the vegetables and mix all the vegetables properly in the sauce. Now as you can see, after adding the vegetables, that sauce has become a little thick. So as I told you before, to keep the pasta stock separately, now we will add that stock in the sauce and mix it properly. See, now after mixing, now the sauce is okay, it's not thick. See, so now we need to cook the sauce and vegetable together for a few minutes. And don't forget to add this nutmeg. This will give nutty taste to your white sauce pasta. So now we will grate a little nut. Now mix it properly. After mixing, we just need to cook a little bit, and when you can see that bubbles will start coming, we will add our pasta into it. As you can see, it start bubbling. So our sauce and sauté vegetables are almost done. Now we will add pasta into it. After adding the required pasta, we will mix all together. Mix all the things properly. So our yummy and tasty white sauce pasta is done. But don't forget to add cheese in it. So now we will add a little bit of cheese on the top and we'll mix it again. After adding cheese, mix it properly. And now it's done. So now it's a time to serve white sauce pasta. Serve it hot to your family. I hope you liked the video. If you really like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if any suggestions, please do mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video.